In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw free coins from Hamster Kombat. First of all, open Hamster Kombat in Telegram application. One thing that you should be aware of is that Hamster Kombat has not disclosed the coin listing yet. They have provided a plan according to which they will tell coin listing in the second week of July. Till then, you can't withdraw any coin. When Hamster Kombat will show the coin listing, you can withdraw the coins by using the Ton wallet provided by them, which is available in the airdrop section of Hamster Kombat. Tap on the airdrop tab and then tap on Connect Ton wallet if you haven't already connected it. After connecting the Ton wallet, you will see a tick sign here like this. After that, go back to the Telegram chat or channel. Here you will find your wallet. If you don't see it here, then tap on the three lines here at the top left corner and select the wallet option. Your wallet will appear. In the wallet, as you can see the NOT coin and the other coins. In the same way, Hamster Kombat will be added here when it will be listed. It might come with a different name, but whatever will be their next step, it will be shown here. And you will also see your coins, which will be verified by Hamster Kombat. You will be only able to withdraw the amount of coins which Hamster Kombat verifies. After that, you would need an exchange like Binance, on which you would have to transfer these coins, for which you would need gas fees. The gas fees are very less. It's $0.01 approximately, but it is necessary for withdrawal of your coins.